What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to fade in and out audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here I have a clip on my timeline with sound on. If I play it, the audio is high from the very beginning, but I want to fade in the audio. That means start with no volume and then the volume increases as I go. Now to do so, head to the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and make sure the Effect Controls is checked. Now, here the video and the audio are connected. If they are not, and you want to do this to an audio file, just press on the audio file itself. Now, with the audio file, or in our case, the video selected here, go to the Audio section here in the Effect Controls, and here you want to go to the Levels settings. You want to press this button to add a keyframe, and you want to decrease the volume here. Now, go forward a bit to where you want the sound to start, and then go to this value and press on 0, and it'll automatically create a new keyframe. If I play it, as you can see, it started with no sound and it got louder as we got on. Now, to increase the duration of the fade, just select this keyframe and drag it further to the right, and it'll take longer now to reach the maximum volume, as you can see. Now, let's do a fade out. Like at the end of the video, let's make the sound fade out. So we'll go to the point where you want your fade out to start. We'll click on this to create a new keyframe with the same value, that's the 0 or that's the highest volume, and then go to the end of the video and decrease your volume by like a lot, and that'll create the fade out effect. Now when you play the video from the end here, you'll see that the volume decreases as we go on till it hits 0.